हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो मैं जब लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन से मैं गुजर रही थी, the first time that I actually decided to sit down to study basically for my exams after I recovered, it was very difficult for me to sit long hours and put my concentration. तो मेरे लिए वो phase बहुत difficult था and all of a sudden when you lose that habit of studying, and when you are starting afresh new to get yourself back together to do that kind of a work is sometimes very very difficult. तो मैं जब struggle कर रही थी इस तरह की situation में, when I was finding it so difficult to concentrate and basically to pull long hours into my study sessions, then this therapist that I actually had, she taught me a very important lesson, and she told me something which I still follow today. And over the years, wherever I go, whatever I do, I will always follow this mental exercise. And this is something which is not only from the perspective of someone who is starting new, but anyone who faces any kind of difficulty in any kind of situation in life. Sometimes we just get diverted because of certain incidents in our life, or some temporary things happening in our life which distracts our concentration. And for all those people who are finding it difficult to sit and study, this is basically the most powerful exercise which yet I have encountered, and I still practice it today. And that is basically, she told me to write down whatever thoughts come into your mind, because whenever you sit to study, there are thousands of thoughts which are rotating in your mind, and that is basically what is hindering you from putting your concentration. So concentration is probably the most powerful weapon that you have when you sit to study, but that is something which was missing. When you start new, or when something is distracting you constantly, you can't do that. So our mind is is full of thoughts, and once you remove that sound, that extra noise from your brain, is the time that you can actually focus onto your studies or your work at hand. So the most important thing to do at this stage is that when you are completely distracted and you're not able to bring yourself back, the thing which I used to do is that I used to take a piece of paper and write down whatever comes into my mind. So I had a diary kind of a thing which I don't use anymore now, but basically if you have difficulty, you can do this. Take a small diary and make it a habit कि जब भी दिमाग में किसी भी तरह का कोई भी आपका जो कि है डिस्ट्रैक्शन वाली जो भी थॉट्स है, वो जब भी आपके दिमाग में आते हैं, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन. Once you write it down, you will see that amazing kind of a thing happening to you is that those thoughts will no more be there here, because you're putting down on a piece of paper. So you're actually processing and removing those thoughts from here, and you're putting it down on a piece of paper. So now these thoughts are no more here, they're transferred over here. So this place is getting cleaned up basically. This is the first step. The second step is that you have to take care of every minute in your life. तो मुझे जब ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा था, तो मैंने उनसे कहा कि मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरा टाइम कहाँ पे वेस्ट हो रहा है. समटाइम्स वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड कि 24 आवर्स इज अ लॉन्ग टाइम, फिर भी हम लोग प्रोडक्टिव नहीं हो पाते हैं. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी सी दैट वी हैवंट येट स्टडीड फॉर इवन फॉर 3-4 आवर्स. तो इतना जो है कि डिस्क्रिपेंसी जो होता है कि हम लोग को समझ में नहीं आता है दैट वेयर इज आवर टाइम वेस्टेड. एंड दैट इज वेयर शी टॉट मी, एंड शी टोल्ड मी दैट मेक इट अ हैबिट कि आपके दिन का हर एक मिनट का हिसाब आपके पास होना चाहिए. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, if I ask you what did you do at that time, you should be able to answer that. And if it is difficult for you to start with breaking down each minute, you can start by breaking down each hour. From the morning you get up, from that time till the night you go to sleep, every hour you have to kind of analyze and write down or remember what you exactly are doing in each of these hours. And then एक मिनट का आपको हिसाब रखना चाहिए कि मेरा टाइम जो है वो कहाँ पर जा रहा है. The moment you jot down whatever you're doing in your entire day, you will ultimately find a point where you will see where the exact time is being wasted. Is it wasted on your phone, on your social media, which is probably the most common thing that is happening nowadays, and or else your thought processes that is distracting you, or you're doing something else, or it's your job or whatever. Something will be there on your list. Once you start writing them down, you will understand कि मेरा time जो है वो कहाँ पर जा रहा है. तो एक मिनट का अगर आप हिसाब रखना चालू कर दोगे, तो believe me, your productivity will increase 1,000 times, because now you know where you're wasting your time, and now you know that you have enough time at your hand to utilize it properly. And the third step is that now you have to make a list of the things which you are actually wasting time on. So once you know that, okay, fine, these are the places or the areas where I'm wasting time, so make a list of that and cut them down one by one. For example, if it is a social media, then you know that I should not take my phone while studying. So this is where my time is being wasted. So now you know, once you know where your time is being wasted, you will find ways to kind of cut down all those distractions. But once you don't know कि इतना time कहाँ पर जा रहा है, तुमको समझ में नहीं आ रहा, then how will you work on that? So the most important thing is that to write down every thought that comes into your mind, to write down the hisab of every single hour or minute in your day, to find out the areas and the places where you are actually wasting your time, and to work on those specific areas to remove all those distractions practically from your life and also from your mind. And then you will have a fresh mind and a lot of time in your life to use it for the work that you need the most. So I hope that this exercise will help you to become more productive in the upcoming days. And if this has helped you, then please let me know in the comment section below. If you like watching my videos, then please consider subscribing and support me, because your support means a lot to me. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, keep studying, and thank you for watching.